Hello, good afternoon. We are going to expose our project based on the article Is There Life in Venus? Our team is conformed by Jacqueline Isabel Robles León, for me, Melissa Joana Rodríguez Guanajuato, and for Elida Estefanía Vargas Parra.
Hello, I am Jacqueline. Um, life high in the toxic atmosphere of the planet Venus, astronomers on Earth have discovered things of what mean be life. The scientists have detected a chemical phosphine in the thick Venus atmosphere. There assert that something now alive in the only explanations for the chemical sources. Okay, the article Phosphine gas in the cloud, Desos Venus published in the journal Natural Astronomy states that in the atmosphere of Venus a chemical compound was detected. Phosphine is a simple molecule with the chemical formula pH 3 made up of one atom of phosphorus and three atoms of hydrogen. On our planet, the chemical reasons that give rise to phosphine are of two types. Either they are industrial processes or therefore natural. Well, the Finnish author concludes that its origin could be due to biological reasons after carrying or simulation on possible alternatives. Thank you.
Hi, I am Stefania. As we already know, three elements are necessary to carry out the photosynthesis process: water, carbon dioxide, and sunlight. It is known that the clouds on Venus are composed of ice crystals at the top and drops of water at the bottom. In addition to the Earth, they have sulfur dioxide. Next, one of the limitations of life on the surface of his planet is the absence of liquid water and temperature. Evidence of water vapor was also found. The temperature at the top of the clouds is about 210 degrees Kelvin, and at the bottom of the clouds it is at least 208 degrees Kelvin. On Earth, the temperature of the clouds at the top varies from 150 to 340. Next, conditions on the surface and the atmosphere are enough to have improved on Venus are probably also on extrasolar planets with similar characteristics to Venus, where temperatures are no less extreme and liquid water is available. Thanks.
Hello, my name is Melissa Rodríguez Guanajuato, and so Venus is a very hardly place to visit. Space programs have tried dozens of robotic missions to Venus, many of them in the Soviet Union's Venera series. but the planet consumes metal, within minutes melting down and crashing spacecraft that have landed there. Of all those attempts, only two managed to directly capture images of the planet's surface. This is a real image of the planet's surface of Venus, and it was taken by this robot or this instrument. I'm sorry. It's very called like Venera 10, and this is a probe. But when this take the photo, it just take 53 minutes to melt because the conditions there are very dangerous and it's very hot. So like it's a very difficult place to explore because it's 4 times hotter than the Earth and has oil lakes and has other dangerous elements. The NASA organizes a contest to choose the best sensor design for a rover, since it has to withstand a temperature of more than 480 degrees and atmospheric pressure 90 times greater than that of the Earth and rainfall of sulfuric acid. This is why it's very difficult for a rover to stay more than 30 minutes. A rover, just to clarify, is this robot, but all the rovers that have been sent to Venus have melted or have been destroyed for something else. So if someone manages to design an effective rover, they will earn a very large amount of money. This is a very interesting contest that is doing the NASA now. But in other mission, there is a new mission, a newly completed Venus flashing mission, sterilized at much more ambitious, all-in-one venture that will send an orbiter, lander, two small satellites, and a variable altitude airboat to scout our sister world. This mission will take 5 years. It will set sail in June 2031 and in 2034 place its 5 science platforms at Venus, and it will culminate in landing on surface in May 2035. So this mission it will start in 2031 and it will finish in 2035. So we will have to wait until 2035 to have news or even before for the contest of the NASA. If they find any design that can be sent before, we will have notice about that. So that's it. Thanks a lot for your attention.